This RESIZE 180-ton adjustable turning rolls, widely used in manufacturing of large pipe and cylindrical parts. Equipped pure steel rollers, better load bearing and no deformation. The base is equipped with multiple bolt hole distances, and the roller spacing can be adjusted according to the size of the workpiece. Multiple lifting holes are designed in all directions of the whole machine for easy installation and movement. The main roller is designed with a screw lifting device, which can adjust the height of the load-bearing roller according to processing requirements. Equipped with variable frequency AC motor and speed change device, it realizes stepless speed change. Equipped with electric control box and remote control to achieve dual operation. This is a safety warning sign. Touch screen display. Arrangement of the electric control system inside the electric control box. Connect to power. Display flickers and can be set to multiple languages. The remote control can also operate start-stop, speed regulation, and forward-reverse rotation. The logo can be customized in other languages. The machine starts to operate. The roller rotates, driving the workpiece to move. After using the machine, turn off the power supply. Perform daily maintenance, such as lubrication and cleaning regularly.